These documents are vital to your long-term disability claim. Hey folks, my name is Brandon Osterbind. I am an injury and disability attorney here in Central Virginia, and I help people whose long-term disability claims have been denied. And these documents are vital to your long-term disability claims. So let's talk about what you should provide to your insurance company providing long-term disability benefits. The first thing that you have to make sure that you can provide is a complete grouping of all of your medical records from all of your treating healthcare providers. It's important to make sure that you have all of these so that you can provide them to the insurance company. And if you don't do that, then the insurance company is going to deny your claim and say there's a lack of medical evidence. The second thing that I'll say that you need to provide is a written narrative from your physician. Your doctor has to provide a physician statement that details your treatment, how you developed the condition that you had, and why you can't work. The insurance company is going to know why you were able to work on May 5th, but why you're not able to work on May 6th. And that's an important question. And it's a question that you need to be able to answer. Not only you need to be able to answer, but your doctor needs to be able to answer that question. So it's important to provide a complete grouping of all of your medical records, and it's important to get a medical narrative or a physician statement from your doctor detailing your condition, your treatment, your expected treatment in the future, and how your symptoms affect your ability to work. And the next thing I'll say is important to produce is a statement of your own. A lot of times in these ERISA disability claims and the appeals, you will never have an opportunity to stand in front of a judge or a jury and testify. Your version of your life will never see the light of day unless you write it down or you record it. There has to be some medium of you telling your story in your claim so that you have the opportunity to tell the insurance company exactly what you're feeling, why it affects your ability to work. The last thing I'll say that is usually helpful in a lot of long-term disability claims is or witness statements or witness affidavits. So if you have friends or coworkers who would be able to write down a list of who you were before the disabling condition struck you, or before the accident that caused you to be unable to do your job, or to do any job for that matter. Those coworker and friend and family statements are very important because they are external validating factors that will justify the insurance company in awarding you benefits. And it will make it harder for them to deny your benefits because now there are other people who don't stand to gain anything vouching for your credibility and saying that yes, you were once able to do these things, but no, now you cannot do the same things that you were doing before. So those are just a handful of documents that are vital to your long-term disability claim. And if you don't have those things, it's going to be very difficult to win your claim, and it'll be very difficult to win an appeal when your claim is denied. I hope this has been helpful, and if you have any questions about the documents that you should submit with your claim, give us a call, send us an email. I'd be happy to sit down with you, chat with you about your specific situation, and provide you with a strategy to win your claim and to stay on claim as long as you are disabled.